When working with an open banking partner, you should be discussing how to optimize the user experience and as a result, enhance your success rates. A large part of any open banking journey is the authentication with the bank, where the authentication method and the authentication flow have a great impact on the user experience in your product. Open banking requires the users to go through strong customer authentication to validate the user's identity. That means sharing 2 out of 3 parameters: knowledge, possession, and inherence. Or in other words, something you know, such as a username and a password. Something you have, like a card reader, a mobile phone validated via SMS code, or more local nuances, such as the TAN devices in Germany. The last thing is something you are, that could be a Face ID or a fingerprint. There's a plethora of different methods nowadays. Biometric is the most common one that we can see across most markets. That's typically catering to a better user journey as well. The strong customer authentication can be performed via 3 different types of flows. Firstly, you have the embedded flows, where the authentication is performed in your interface. It gives you full ownership of the end-to-end journey. These flows are typically seen in Germany. Then you have the decoupled flow, where the user is redirected to a third-party app, typically on a mobile device, to authenticate. These flows are seen in the Nordics with Bank ID and NemID. Then lastly, you have the web and app redirects, where the user is redirected to a bank's interface, either to the website or to an app, to perform the authentication. Redirect flows are the most common ones that are seen across most markets in Europe. If you want to support multiple banks and markets, you need to cater for all the authentication flows. At Tink, we're hiding this complexity behind the front-end SDK that we call Tink. In Tink, we help our customers to find innovative solutions to minimize the impact of complex bank authentications. If you're interested in finding out more, get in touch with us.